In this video, I am going to show you how to cash out Solana from Phantom wallet. For this, you need to follow these steps. You can see I am in the official website of Solana. So you just simply need to remember these steps. Step number 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Not all exchanges allow Solana deposit or fiat currency withdrawals. Research reputable exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken that support both. Step number 2. Create an account on the exchange. Go through the exchange sign up process and complete verification. Step number 3. Find your Solana deposit address. Once login, navigate to the deposit section of your chosen exchange. Find the Solana deposit option. The exchange will provide a unique Solana deposit address. Copy this address. Step number 4. Transfer Solana from Phantom wallet. Once your Phantom wallet app or browser extension. Open your Phantom wallet app or browser extension. Locate your Solana balance. Click on the send or transfer button associated with Solana. Paste the deposit address you copy from the exchange into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Solana you want to cash out. Double check the amount and address carefully. This might be a transaction fees display. Review it before confirming. Confirm the transaction in your Phantom wallet. Step number 5. Sell Solana on the exchange. Once the transfer is complete, may take a few minutes. Your Solana will appear in your exchange account. Find the trading section and navigate to the Solana market pair. Place a sell order to exchange your Solana for your desired fiat currency. Step number 6. Withdraw fiat currency. Once you have sold your Solana, you can initiate a withdrawal to your link bank account or other supported withdrawal methods. Important notes. Transaction fees apply for both sending Solana from Phantom and selling it on the exchange. There might be minimum withdrawal amounts on the exchange. Be sure to check their policy. Never share your Phantom wallet seed phrase with anyone. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.